I want to make a granny square, the traditional granny square. We have some Bennett premium white yarn, so we can start making a granny square. We will start with the white, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch to the first chain, just like this, yarn over, pull through both. Now we have a crocheted circle. What we are going to do is 1 single crochet into the ring, then chain 2, and we are going to do the double crochet in the ring, not on the chains, just like this. 2 loops, then again 2 loops. One more time. This is considered as the first double crochet. So 1, 2, 3 double crochet. Then we separate them with the 2 chains. Then 1 more double crochet cluster of 3. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, double crochet 1, 2, 3. One more, because a square has 4 sides, we are making 4 sides. And chain 2, join to the top of the chain, first chain 3, the third chain on that one, slip stitch that. Now I am going to cut the yarn. I like to lock it like this. Now I am going to get some red yarn. This I got it from Facebook Marketplace. It says patterns knit and save. So we are going to attach the yarn into one of the 2 chain space. Just hold it like this, then yarn on the hook and pull it through. 1, 2, and double crochet. I'm going to keep the yarn right here and crochet on top of it. So we have again a 3 double crochet here, chain 2, another 3 double crochet, we do the same again on each corner. Double crochet, chain 2, two, 3, again to the next 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again on the fourth corner, 1, 2, 3. Just chain 2, then again 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Now slip stitch to the top of the chain 3. Cut the yarn, lock it in place, hold it here. We go to some yellow yarn next. Yeah, yellow yarn. Hold it in the corner. Just bring it to the front. 1, 2 chains. That will be your first double crochet in the corner. 1, 2, 3. Every corner we make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. 2, 3. Now there is a difference in the pattern. See, there's a space here, right, between these 2 corners. So we are going to make 1 set of 3 double crochet in here. 1, 2, 3. Then we again go to the corner, make 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, and go to the corner, make another corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. 2, 3. Now to the side, make 3 double crochet. Into the corner, our corner is like a 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Now go to the center, the side. Side is like a 1, 3 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Now we can slip stitch. And we cut the yarn, lock the yarn in place. See, one square is there. You can continue the same way, like in the next round the side will be like a the first you make the corner, then the side there is 1 space here, so that is make a 3 double crochet in the next round, then another 3 double crochet in here, and then go to the corner. Like that you repeat the pattern. You will get a big one. You can make a blanket out of it, or you can just leave it like that, a square. You can make more squares in the same color pattern or the different way, and connect them to make a scarf. Okay,